Hello! In this video I will review the new Canon PIXMA G series inkjet printers. The models may have different names in different countries or regions, but they are identical in the specs and functionality. I will show the following in this video, and for the product review I will focus on the 3-in-1 Wi-Fi multifunctional model of G3070 series, which is supposed to be the most popular among these models. In the first part I talk about the product history and replacements. The 2023 PIXMA G series is replacing models from 2020 and also G4010 from 2018. The first generation of the G series was launched in 2016. Updated generation in 2018. And then in 2020 there was new generation which brought improvements. Finally, here are the models of 2023, which I go more information into detail and improvements throughout the range. Only in limited regions you may also find G2030 and G3070. Let's go into new models. G1030 is USB printer with simple operational panel and custom predefined media size. G2070 is USB multifunctional device. All 2020 models had two-line mono LCD display, while the new models have different displays from model to model. And then about Wi-Fi models, starting with G4070. These multifunctional comes in different colors: black, white and red. It has backlit square size display, which is a big improvement over the predecessor. The 2020 model's two-line LCD display had no backlit. So new one is much more clear and visible and displays the QR codes which guide to additional information once you scan them with your mobile. Finally, here is the top model of the series of G4070 replacing the G4010. It is the only one with fax function and automatic document feeder. My product review is based on the G3070 model. You can find the product specs on the screen, and I recommend to check the online user manuals for more functionality and information. Check the Get the Most Out of Your printer for hints and tips for effective use. As this is the continuous ink printer, I will start with the ink bottles. They are the same as with the predecessor and may have different names in different regions. but inks are the same. The black is pigment and water resistant. With the new one, the Eco mode is now possible also for color print. You'll find more eco-friendly features starting from unboxing with much less plastic waste, in the previous model there was much more waste, but also additional black ink bottle out of the box. The setup process is very similar with mechanical ID bottles, but now additional spring is added to the ink tank caps. And the printer cover closes very softly. Find more about unboxing and setup in the next videos on these models. Similar as with previous generation, you can print from credit card size to up to 1.2 meter long banner media. There is only 100 sheets plain paper rear tray, and here I list different paper types from high quality photo paper to creative and special media, of which you find some videos in the upper right corner of the screen. Print speed is higher with new generation for all models. Let's see a print speed comparison. The maintenance is important part of the continuous ink printers. The maintenance cartridge is new and can be replaced by user, same way as with the predecessor. Print heads are also consumable items and can be replaced by user. New is auto switch to transport mode. You don't need to close the ink valve as it was common with the predecessor models. In the last part, I quickly covered the connectivity for Wi-Fi models, which support many mobile apps and connectivity features.
Welcome to Canon printer. What would you like me to print?
There is lots of software available which you find in the Canon software playlist on my channel. New generation is more secure and there is protection against unauthorized access and information leakage. And that would be all in this video. Find more about PIXMA G series in the playlist on my channel and check the description of the video for more useful video links. Feel free to ask questions, comment or like the video if you found the information useful. Do not forget to subscribe as it helps me to grow the channel and create more content. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.